Hi friends, today we are going to share you how to make egg bhaji. Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos.
సూపర్ టేస్ట్ ఉన్నది.
Please subscribe to my channel to watch more videos.